So we're going to look here at setting our master faders to be extra Q stacks on the console. This is something that was added in software version 1.7.6.2 onwards. So this is going to take our grandmaster, submaster and crossfader faders and allow us to assign Q stacks to these. So this is going to be useful for things like house lights, maybe smoke machines, haze machines and that sort of thing. Things where you don't require the select, go and stop buttons for your playbacks. So just fader only. So to set this up, we go to our setup window, we go to view settings, we go to the playback tab. Then we have our options at the top here for our grandmaster function, submaster function and the crossfader function. You'll find for all three of these now, if I double click on the options, you've got an option there to set your grandmaster to be Q stack number 1, your submaster to be Q stack number 2 and your crossfader to be Q stack number 3. So this will always map these to then Q stack numbers 1, 2 and 3. How do we map onto these buttons then? We open up our stack store window. So we can see all our different Q stacks, and at the moment you can see I've got Q stack 1, 2 and 3 used for various different playbacks. So you can see Q stack 1 at the moment is used on playback page 1, playback 6, which is the spot circle here. Obviously I've already got something recorded here. As you record playbacks, it records sequentially then using these stacks here. So all I need to do is simply move that stack out of the way. So I'm just going to say move that over to there. It's not going to break the link. This playback's still going to work exactly the same way. It's just moving that stack out of the way so I can record whatever I like onto Q stack number 1 now. So we'll do the same for Q stack numbers 2 and 3 as well. So 1 being our grandmaster, 2 being the submaster, and 3 being the crossfader. So now I can record something to these stacks. So let's go to a layout here. Let's say grab my front of house spots here and let's record that to Q stack number 1. Then if I grab my bars in red there, and let's go and record that to Q stack number 2. And then let's grab say the pars in blue and record that to be Q stack number 3. So I now should have on my crossfader the pars in blue, submaster in red, and on the master fader my front of house lights there. So that's masters faders as Q stacks available in software version 1.7.6.2 onwards.